Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this TriView medicine cabinet. I already had this medicine cabinet for 4 years now, and this is a great addition to my bathroom. I like the size of the medicine cabinet. Installation is very easy. You can either mount it either on the outside surface like how it is, or if you cut the hole inside the drywall and just fit this inside the wall. So this has 3 different doors, as you can see, the slits. The one on the right side opens up like this, and then this one opens up in the middle, and this one opens up this way. Okay, so let me show you how it looks. And you can see the depth of it. On the top, it has a nice frame to it. So the inside, what I did, I just screwed it in with the 4 screws on top and on the bottom there. On the top and on the bottom here. One pro tip, make sure when you install this that you leave a space on the side here, so that way your door can open and close, since you need a gap. That was one of the mistakes that I made before. So this has 3 shelves, the top, middle, and a bottom. And as you can see, it fits a lot of different items in your medicine cabinet. So it's a good quality, and it withstands the moisture from the bathroom very well. So you can see the hinges work very nicely. You don't need any maintenance on them. If you're interested in buying this, you could get this from Amazon. I'm going to post a link in the description. Overall, this is a great TriView medicine cabinet. I like how you can either install this inside the wall or outside of the wall. I like how it has 3 separate doors that you can open to get the different items that you need inside. I also like that it has 3 shelves, so you could fit a lot of things in here. And I like how the overall look to it has a nice frame. The material is very well made, and installation is very easy to do also.